Can you guys imagine a place where they eat absolutely every ounce of a chicken? Well, maybe not the feathers. But I want to bring you along to the Cebu Night Street Market. What an incredible place. You can find almost any kind of food that you can imagine there, from cheesy corn dogs to fried pig stomachs and even pig brain. Our team tasted it all. I grabbed a corn dog. Now, this was not the kind of corn dog you see in America. This was a unique corn dog to the Philippines. I had to give it a shot. Then I saw this sweet corn and powdered cheese, and our team loved that too. We moved on to potato chips. Now, let me tell you about their potato chips. It's not like what we experience in the U.S. This was a single potato chip that went on and on and on from the same potato. My personal favorite? It was Dynamite. I'm talking about Dynamite. It's a spicy, rolled... Let me tell you about Dynamite. It had a blast of flavor. It's spicy, and it is something that I look forward to getting again and again.
What do you think?
Oh, he's going the whole thing.
Do you want some more?
Then we tried fried pig stomach. That was incredible. Our team thought it was absolutely wonderful and delicious. We ended our night with pork sissy.
Is it spicy?
Spicy. That is spicy.
And we tried pig brain. Pig brain was absolutely incredible. A little bit spicy.
Very good. Kind of like a, it's like a gravy almost. So this is pig's brain, some soy sauce, garlic,
chili, and onion.
Great. How would you pronounce that?
Tuslob Buwa.
And it's in the downtown outdoor night market in Cebu.